Welcome to Extra.
But was it shaking last night when you drove it or not really? Same thing. Okay. Hopefully we could get a check engine light pull or a code pulled. All right, stop. See, the intake is loose, which is fine. You would rather have loose. But when I checked the exhaust earlier, I can't even stick my gauge inside. So that's how you know it's for sure it's tight. Yeah, I can't even stick the gauge in. So that's a good sign. That's what's causing the misfire. Man, guess what? Number 3 is also tight. So these valves never been adjusted. Ever. See how if you look at, I could hit my fingers like this. I could move the rocker. There's play. You grab here. No play. So we gotta adjust it. The double A, huh?
Now, in my job, they put in the locker everything because before
You gotta lock it up.
Yeah.
All right, valves are adjusted. Now we gotta put the valve cover on with the spark plug, tube O-rings. Just gotta pop these out real quick. So we're gonna pop these out. So this is what I like to use, a little pry bar. Just yank it. Just like that. Do that on each one. Easy peasy. Alright, we're putting the valve cover gasket on. We already did the spark plug tube seals, spark plug tube O-ring, whatever you want to call it. Now we're putting the valve cover gasket on. Gotta make sure it's on straight. Make sure it's not sticking out anywhere. Make sure it's nice, flat, and straight. You don't want it turned this way and the other side turned the other way. Then we're gonna put Honda Bond on 4 areas of the cylinder head to help seal it better where it's potential for leaks. A lot smoother than before. No more rough idle. Alright, car's warmed up. Operating temp. The idle's no longer rough. Valve clearance adjustment. Exhaust valves were too tight. That was the culprit. Check for some oil leaks real quick. Looks good to me. Map reading went a little lower, so valve adjustment definitely worked. Earlier this was reading 10.3. Another happy customer from Ixer Garage. Oh yeah, don't hit it like that. You're gonna damage the threads. Just put it in, spin it, and until it grabs.
Fine, right?
No, until it's tight. Is it hand tight?